Ever found yourself needing to send money but unsure of the easiest way to do it with Westpac? Maybe you're paying a friend back, covering a bill, or sending funds overseas. Understanding your options and the steps involved can save you time and hassle. Today, we're diving into exactly how to transfer money using Westpac's various platforms, making sure you're confident in every click. Transferring money domestically with Westpac. For transfers within Australia, Westpac offers several convenient methods. The most common and straightforward ways are through their online banking platform and the Westpac app. Using the Westpac app. The Westpac app is incredibly user-friendly for on-the-go transfers. First, ensure you have the latest version of the app downloaded on your smartphone. Log into your Westpac app. Tap on the payments $ symbol at the bottom of the screen. Select Pay Someone or Send Money. If you're paying someone new, you'll need their BSB, bank, state, branch, and account number. You might also be able to use a Pay ID, which is a simpler identifier like a mobile number or email address linked to their account. Choose the from account you want to send money from. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. You can select Today to Pay Now or Schedule to set a future date or recurring payment. Add a description for the payment, which helps both you and the recipient identify the transaction. Review all the details carefully to make sure they're correct. Tap Transfer or Confirm to complete the payment. Using Westpac Online Banking. For those who prefer a desktop or laptop, Westpac Online Banking provides a comprehensive experience. Log into Westpac Online Banking through their website. Navigate to Payments from the main menu. Select Make a Payment or Transfer Funds. Similar to the app, you'll either choose an existing payee or create a new one by entering their BSB and account number or their Pay ID. Choose the From account and enter the amount. Set the date and frequency for the transfer. You have the flexibility to make it a one-off payment or set up recurring transfers. Add a description for the payment. Review all details before proceeding. Click Confirm to finalize the transfer. Sending money overseas with Westpac. International money transfers have a few more steps and considerations, including fees and exchange rates. Westpac allows you to send money overseas via both their online banking and the Westpac app. Key details you'll need. Before you start an international transfer, gather the following information for the recipient. Payee's full name and address. Recipient's bank name and address. Account number or IBAN, international bank account number, if applicable for the country. SWIFT/BIC code, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications/Bank Identifier code of the recipient's bank. Some countries may also require specific local codes like ABA routing numbers for the USA, IFSC for India, or sort codes for the UK/Ireland. The amount and currency you wish to send. The reason for the payment, as some countries require this. Fees and exchange rates. Westpac generally charges a fee for international transfers. For transfers made via online banking or the Westpac app, if sending in a foreign currency, the fee is typically $0 AUD. However, if sending in Australian dollars, a fee of $20 Australian applies. Transfers made in a branch incur a higher fee of $32 AUD. Always check the current exchange rate and any additional fees, including those charged by intermediary banks, using Westpac's currency converter or by contacting them directly. Daily payment limits. Be aware of your daily payment limits. The default daily payment limit for personal customers is typically $750 AUD. However, you can increase this limit through online banking or the Westpac app if needed, up to a maximum of $2 million Australian dollars equivalent per day for international transfers, though for larger amounts you might need additional security measures like a Westpac Protect security code or a Secure ID token. Transferring money with Westpac, whether domestically or internationally, is a secure and relatively straightforward process once you know the steps. Always double-check your recipient's details to avoid delays or issues. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.